developing a therapy for Duchenne muscular dystrophy. This is the most common and serious form of childhood muscle wasting. We've come up with a treatment that gives the cell the ability to spit out the bad part of the gene message. So it's not gene therapy, because we're not changing the gene, we're changing how the gene is read. So there's a clinical trial that's been going in the States now for nearly 2.5 years. The boys on this trial have stabilised, and it looks like they've shown that the missing protein is reappearing, and the boys are doing better. They're walking, they haven't lost the ability to walk, their breathing is stronger, and they look like they're stable. It's not curing the disease, it's reducing the severity of the disease and stabilising the condition. So I'm aware of a lot of families in India with Duchenne muscular dystrophy, and this will be of direct relevance to them. The trials are going in America. We still have to convince the FDA that this is a viable treatment, and that's an ongoing process at the moment. We can't get the treatment in Australia. It's still an experimental treatment. It's still very early days. Well, until the FDA approve it. As soon as the FDA approves it, then I'm hoping it'll become more readily available. It is a very, it's going to be a very expensive treatment, because this is like using the first generation of antibiotics. They're expensive compounds to make. It's going to be out of the affordability of almost everyone that I know, unless it's subsidised, insurance companies come in and start to pay for it. So how this is going to be funded once it is in the clinic is going to be another challenge. I've been to India at least